In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change airdrop name on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up settings, then go into general, about, and then at the very first position you can easily find name of your current iPhone, and that's actually the name of your iPhone and airdrop as well. So you can just change it. You can delete the entire text and write down new one, and then to save the changes just don't forget to hit add done. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.